Hello, welcome to the TMS application. So let's get started. First, the admin needs to be logged into. And you can set a directory for the log file. You need to set a database connection string. I'll go ahead and do that now. You can see it's all good. I connected. And here we can change the different tables in the database right now. So in the rate table, there's a surcharge and for the FTL and the LTL. The surcharge is 150. The percentages for full load and the percentages for less than full load. So I can go ahead and change and update, add, and delete here. I'll just show that it does work. 150, 200, update, changes it. Just go ahead and change that back. So you can change the courier data as well. So Planet Express going from these specific cities, FTL available, LTL available, all these different values, all the different information there. And again, you can add, delete, update, and same with the route. You can always review the logs. So as we're going along, it's updating this, and it shows you who is doing it. So the admin is going through all these things. It was initialized and it created. You can go ahead and back these files up. So if I want to export the information, I can go ahead and export it and save it to the desktop, and then I can go ahead and restore the same thing. If anything happens or I want to restore the database, I can go ahead and do that. So since the database connection string is all set up, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to the buyer, sign into the buyer, and I'm going to initiate some orders. So this is connecting to the contract marketplace. And here's the orders available. So I'm going to go ahead and select maybe 3 of them, accept contracts. So now they're here, Kingston to Ontario. I'm going to select this. Let's see if WeHaul works. Operates out of different cities. Planet Express, let's check that out. Schooners. And then it accepts it. It's been updated. So now it's got an order ID and order status. That order status is background information so that we understand where it is in the process. Let's go from Walmart. That was accepted with Planet Express, and let's go Skynet, and it was also accepted with Planet Express. Let's go ahead and update the order or update the database. Update the database. We've already done that. Okay, so gonna go back to the planner. And let's calculate some order information. So right now this table is empty. And bingo, with clicking load orders, you have these information. So it doesn't have the kilometer, the estimated time, the carrier fee, and the company fee. So let's go ahead and generate some info. So there you go. Total of 581 kilometers, estimated time, carrier fee, and then the total. Let's do that for all. Oops. Loaded orders. So I didn't update it, but let's just generate the information, generate the information, generate the information, and let's update. So those should all be updated. And again, the order status changes. So now it's out for delivery and all these informations can go ahead. So let's go back to the buyer. And let's see some generate invoice. So Skynet's here. And let's see, so this one's completed. The Skynet looks like it's all done. And let's generate invoice. So I've clicked generate invoice. And if we go in here where the invoices is created, let's see the order number. Order number is 7052, invoices 7052. And it prints out a nice little, hello there, Skynet. It was Skynet, right? Yeah, it was from Skynet. And it gives out the total, prints it out, says a nice thank you. Back to main, let's go back to planner. Sign in, calculate orders. Let's see what's going on here. Generate, update, generate, update. Then if I load orders, those are all updated. Okay. Generate invoices. There we go. There they are. I just didn't click to update, but okay. So those are all, let's see what this is going to go. Space Jam, generate invoice. Order ID is 6580. 6580. Order ID, full truckload, schooners, refrigerated, total distance, estimated time, and the amount due. So now let's go back and let's see what the admin has to say about this. Let's check out the review log file. So now we got a big long list of what was actually done. So admin came in, buyer, planner, buyer, planner, buyer, admin. And now I can set up a directory. If I want to change the directory, let's just put it on the desktop and make it easy. Desktop. Oh, yeah, it was already in the log files. So never mind. Let's go in here. App log files, and that's the same information as the log file, 1045. All right, hope you enjoyed. This was a very fun project, and it was, yeah, very fun to do it. Our group did very well. Thanks for listening.